So let's go back to the beginning. Such a plan is not a clever plan. I will commit sins for a period. I will commit sins. So guidance is here. It's not running away. The mosque is in its place. Islam is in its place. Okay, I understand that I need to pass through there before going to the afterlife. So I'm calculating it in advance. But nowadays, doctors in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and even 50s generally talk about many risks, such as heart, diabetes, etc., and they postpone it to 50 and beyond with the planning they make, saying, Hidayat is not running away, he is staying here. But when we see that he did not realize this plan he made from his youth, even though most of them reached 70 or 80 instead of 50, we turn back and ask what happened, and this is what is happening. So when it comes to the stage of density, the work of Allah Azze and Jelle stops at this point, distorting the perception of the heart in this sense. Hidayat lacks awareness of his auditory experiences there. The Almighty causes us to forget. They fail to remember Allah, so Allah caused them to lose awareness of their true selves and their purpose in life, leading to a state of confusion and emptiness. Their neglect of Allah resulted in a profound disconnection from their inner selves, leaving them adrift in a world devoid of meaning. The majority of them are transgressors. The state of being in a state of numbness, a state of unconsciousness, a serious erosion of values, a serious erosion of the nature in creation, which we discussed in previous weeks, is not affected or influenced by this current situation or circumstance that we are facing at present. So he has bought the phone, covered it with a lot of cracks, there is almost no trace of the original phone left, wondering what programs to install. He has played with the codes, the main codes. If the sins we commit in the direction of such corruption, if they are at the level of debauchery, will cause harm to us, it indicates that we are making significant and perilous movements on the line between returning and not returning to a state of safety and righteousness. We are discussing a process in which it is highly probable and predominantly the hypocrites have inclined towards disbelief and hypocrisy on the irreparable side and shifted their stance in that particular direction. If we return to the starting point once more, we are discussing the extent to which the conclusion of the wrongdoing that begins with, "So I committed a sin," can reach.